In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a card in Trello. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First things first, let's get logged in. So go ahead and open your favorite web browser and type in Trello.com to head to the Trello homepage. Once the page loads, look for the Login button, which is usually in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on that and you can sign in using your preferred method, whether it's with Google, Microsoft, or even your email address. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate your Trello dashboard. Take a moment to look around your boards and find the one that contains the specific card you want to join. Go ahead and click on that board and you'll see all of your cards laid out. Once you locate the card in question, click on it to open up its detailed view. Fantastic! Now you're inside the card, and this is where things get interesting. There are actually a couple of ways to add yourself to the card. Let's go through the first method. On the right side of the card, you should see a section labeled Members. Click on that, and it will display a list of all the members associated with the board. You should see your own profile in that list. Click on it to add yourself as a member of the card. Now, if you're lucky, you might come across a quick and easy option, a Join button. Some cards have this feature, which makes joining super simple. If you see a Join button on the back of the card, just click it, and voila, you're instantly a member of that card. Joining is one thing, but what if you ever need to leave a card? No worries, it's just as straightforward. Just go back to the card you want to leave and open it up as you did before. Head straight to the Members section again, and you'll see your profile listed there. To remove yourself, simply click on your profile to unselect it. That's all it takes to step back from the card. By following these steps, you can easily join and leave cards as needed, making your Trello experience much more flexible and user-friendly. And there you have it. You now know how to join a card in Trello, whether you prefer to do it by selecting your name in the Members section or by hitting that shiny Join button if it's available. It's all about adding your name to the right projects and keeping your workflow organized. If you have any questions or if there are other features you'd like to learn about in Trello, don't hesitate to leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy Trelloing!